Hi guys, welcome to Metrics Trading Professional. I'm Miracle and I want to do a quick review on gold dollar. So I'll be sharing what my expectation is for this week, what I'm looking at. So basically I'm looking at a bearish gold. So I'm still bearish bias, but I will show you in a short while now, I will show you why I'm going bearish. Show why I'm going bearish on gold. So firstly, let's look at the daily time frame. So this is the chart, and we found out that at a point gold got to 196 1962. Okay, I wouldn't give emphasis there, but let's just look at what happened. That was last 2 weeks. We had this engulfing candle, and then we just had the market move. We had a short move, like a sell, and it was so massive that it created imbalances. All right. So last week, I was expecting this move to continue. We more or less had a range of which the market had broken the range in a way. But then let's look at something. It broke the range and closed on the low of the range. So first of all, let's look at this. So this seems to be a trend line. The market traded massively, got to the trend line. It couldn't break immediately, so it had to do this. Now, this correction would have actually been done in this way. At least probably to this place, because this would have been my point of interest, of which I had an analysis on gold, which I mentioned that could have been the worst case scenario. But market didn't come back to this other block, and we actually have a fair value gap here. So looking at this week, what I'm kind of looking at, first of all, I'm expecting a sharp drop, but probably let me talk about that first of all. Let me talk about that. So I love looking at every possible move. So you'll be armed. So you'll be armed while trading. So let me get my two. Okay. All right, I haven't seen this. Let me take this chart down to H4. Let me take it down to H4. So on H4, we had this flag. It's a bearish flag. It's a bearish flag. And then you can see this engulfing candle. Like this shows a strong momentum in the market. So that broke the flag. So we had a breakout from the flag to show a continuation of this move. Okay, market failed to return to this order block here. So it ended up creating a fair value gap here. So I would just give every possible move of the market. Every possible move of the market. So for the fact that this bearish flag has been broken, I still expect that this week the market would just start trading down. Okay. Start trading down. But I'll give the possible movements that we could find. Let's take it down to 30 minutes. So on 30 minutes, I can actually create this small symmetric triangle. And actually identify this little symmetric triangle here. So we just have to wait for a breakout. So when we get a breakout, then we go short on gold. When we get a breakout, you can see the impulse. It's already created an impulse, and this is kind of a correction. This is an impulse here, this is the correction. So I expect this market to start dropping. Okay, so if it breaks out of that symmetric triangle, then we should take a short, then plan your risk management very well, find a good place to put your stop loss. But we can have a possible situation whereby this market will come back up to this place. So at that point, I expect to take my shorts. Sorry. Around here, of which that could lead to a possible peradventure it breaks out to the upside. We can have the market coming to this fair value gap. So we'll have the market coming to pick the buy side liquidity. So we can have this possible move and then a short from here. Peradventure this happens, then just wait. So these are just the possible moves I'm expecting on gold. But I see gold getting down to, let me look at what my first target would be. My first target on gold is, okay, let me take 182 as my first target. 182 is my first target. 182 is my first target. .82 is my first target, and then my second target after this is just this price, just like that, this price, and then the last target is this price. Okay, so 1826 is my first target. My second target is 1785. Then last target is 1729. It can actually keep dropping from there, but I wouldn't want to mention that. I don't want to mention that. Okay, so this is the way I would want to trade gold this week. So you can actually trade gold with us. You can trade gold with us. All right, this is just what I have on gold. I would also look at other pairs and do and post my preview on them. What my bias is, I would also post it. So thank you guys. If you got value, just subscribe to this channel and also follow us on other social media. I'm happy to have you trade alongside with us this week. Don't forget to follow your money management, and of course have it at the back of your mind that this is not in any way an advice for investment, a direction to invest your money or trade. It's just purely for educational purposes. So trade cautiously, put your risk appetite into consideration, your risk tolerance into consideration when planning your trade. You could actually take just 1%, 0.5%, 3%, 10% risk, or 50% risk. I actually recommend don't take more than 3% risk per trade. Okay. I wish you a successful trading week. Thank you guys. Enjoy the rest of the day. Bye.